Hi, shareholders. I just want to show you. You have one video that you'll see of the games, and you'll see little tokens in those games. I want to tell you how we've integrated brand and retail sign up in the back end, their ability to purchase advertisements in line with each and every game by creating tokens on their own. So I'm going to log in to our brand retail side of our back end here, where they can come in and create all kinds of things. The retail side of things, which include creating their blavatars, dynamic orbs that they can airdrop, and all kinds of things. But they can also manage and create tokens and offers that go inside of the games. So you can see there's some tokens here, and it was pretty straightforward. To create a token, you just give it a title. So I'm going to just call it Nike, for example. We're going to have a lot more token icons in here soon. For now, I'm just going to grab this blue one here. And then I can upload any logo to stick in here, any image. So let me just find, I'm just going to use this image again. And then I'm going to submit it. So once I submit this, this is going to actually create a token that as a retail client that I can actually leverage inside of games. So you can see here's a token that I've created, and it's called Nike. So now I can go in here and create an offer. So when I create an offer, I have an option to do it in campaign, which is in Blabby World, or I can select this in game. And this is where it gets really cool. I'll select the token that I created, which is called Nike. I'm going to call this offer title buy one, let's see, collect 50 tokens, get 10% off any shoe. So I can create my offer, and then I can go ahead and put it in the game. This is an example. So I'm going to put that in here so nobody thinks it's real. You can forgive my typing. So there's my little ad. We also have the ability to allow someone to go and redeem in a physical location, or if we want, we can do a digital offering as well. If it's a physical location, it gets really cool because we can set the date that we want our offer to start, or they can set the date and when they want the offer to end. They can also set how many tokens they need to have collected to have them redeemed. In this one, we said that they need to collect 50. Then we can enter the proximity. So we can put in a store, 312 Main Street, Corona, California. So then we can say how many tokens we want made available for everyone, because we don't want to give away too many. So I'm going to say 100,000 total tokens. And then I can even set the number of tokens maximum that people can select per day. That way they don't collect them all in one day. So what this does is by putting this at 10, it means they have to play for 5 days of different games in order to collect the 50 tokens that are necessary to then go into a radius, a proximity. Oops, I'm sorry, I put an address there. I should have put a proximity. I'm going to put 110 kilometers of an address, and I'm going to put the address on the next page. So again, this basically is saying that I'm creating a campaign that's going to be in the games where people have to collect 50 tokens to get 10% off of any Nike shoe in any store. It's going to be a physical location. This is the dates, the times, number of tokens they have to collect is 50, and it's only going to show for people who are in 110 kilometers of the store address that I'm going to say this is my campaign. So I hope that's clear. If we set it as digital, then it doesn't matter where the person is. But if you're Joe Bob's Pizza and you're right there on Main Street, you don't want someone collecting your tokens that's out in New York somewhere because obviously they can't come and redeem it. So it's actually proximity based as well. So now if someone's playing any of our games, not only the ones that we create, but any gaming company that uses our SDK, tokens will be in those games. So as they're playing, they're actually collecting tokens, and those tokens go into a universal wallet through our SDK, and they're redeemable for those users and those game players. So it's really an anomaly in what's happening in the incredible esports arena right now. So I hope this is kind of clear, but you'll see more and more as we round this out, which will be very, very soon.